Thanks for stopping by to see what I'm up to today. Today I'm at the Lake Norman State Park. There are tons of spaces to sit and enjoy, plenty of trails to hike the park, and this is just a beautiful place. Recently I switched trucks because, as I mentioned on a previous video, that F-150 didn't have quite enough behind on it to pull my trailer up the mountain. I gently took everything out of the 150 and I'm slowly but surely putting it back into the 250 in one way or another. Right there is a Diamond SD330 on the Diamond K400 mount. And over there is some sort of ham stick, whether Shark RF or MFJ or somebody, mounted also on a K400 diamond mount. So one of the things that's going to change is, you guys know that, or some of you know anyway, I had an IC705 mounted in the other truck here. And it was mounted with a ram mount, and I had to drill some holes, and maybe I'm not ready to drill any holes right now. But I like my TX500 a little bit better than my 705, depending on what the situation is. So I've got the TX500. If I said it wrong, I apologize. My TX500, and it just fits perfectly right there on the console. So I have the SD330 coming in over there and my power module there. It just seems to want to be here.
Got you 5-5 in Wisconsin up here today. Thanks for being there.
Let's do a little hunting first. A little park to park maybe.
QRZ, Kilo Mike 5, Radio Fox, POTA. Siki POTA, Kilo Mike 5, Radio Fox, POTA.
Kilo 0 Whiskey Hotel Whiskey.
Kilo 0, Whiskey Hotel Whiskey, go ahead.
Yes sir, this is a park to park. I've got you 5'9" to the US-2740 North Carolina.
Was it 2741?
2740, what's your park?
Alright, I copy your 2740, QSL.
QSL, what's your park and signal report?
Your signal report is 03333 in US 11870. 11870.
QSL 11870, and thank you very much, sir. You have a good one.
Alright, 7-3. Thanks for hunting. Good luck on your activation.
7-3.
QRZ, Kilo Mike 5, Radio Fox, POTA. 7-3, we appreciate it. We have another park to park. Park to park, please come now.
Kilo 0 Whiskey Hotel Whiskey.
Kilo 0 Whiskey Hotel Whiskey from NZ5K. You're 5x5, 55. QSL?
You're a 5858, and I'm in park US-2740.
2740, copy that. We're in park number 11321. That's 11321. QSL?
QSL, sir.
Second operator coming. Kilo 0 Whiskey Hotel Whiskey. This is Kilo Alpha 5 Tango X-ray November. Still clear as a bell into park 11321. Over.
You two are a 5. Copy the clear as a bell, and you two are a 5858. And you guys, when you're up, sometimes you're 5'9". And thanks for activating. Thanks for the park to park.
7-3, park. Hey, thank you very much. We got another park to park. Go now, please. Alpha Delta 9, Bravo Lima, calling PQ. Park's on the air.
Kilo 0 Whiskey Hotel Whiskey.
Kilo 0 Hotel or Whiskey Hotel Whiskey. Have you about a 53 Northwest Wisconsin at US 9828.
Copy the 5-3 at 9828. And you're a 5555, and give me your call sign again, please. 73.
Alpha Delta 9 Bravo Lima calling CQ from US-2828 to Chippewa Flowage in Northwest.
It's Alpha Delta 9 Bravo Lima. So I got 4 contacts just park to park. So that is one of my QRP methods. Just in case the activation doesn't go so well, and that does happen sometimes, get as many park to parks as I can. Is the frequency in use? Is the frequency in use? Kilo 0 Whiskey Hotel Whiskey. CQ, CQ, CQ. CQ POTA, CQ Parks on the Air. Kilo 0 Whiskey Hotel Whiskey. CQ POTA, CQ Parks on the Air. Kilo 0 Whiskey Hotel Whiskey CQ. CQ POTA, CQ Parks on the Air. Kilo 0 Whiskey Hotel Whiskey. Well, they were literally coming out of the woodwork yesterday, and luckily I was able to get 1, 2, 3, 4 right off the bat doing park to park. So let's see what we get with CW. So let's send this spot on CW 14062. Nobody seems to be there. Let's see. We turn our power up from 1 watt to 10. Might have been why I wasn't getting any SSB. They're giving me 3 threes. Forgot to turn the power up. That was a tough one for me. It's Ontario. He faded right out on me right before I got the state. And I hate not finishing contact and just putting people in the book based on the fact that we sent a couple of letters to each other. And I figured out, well, he understood what I said. I gave his call sign, and I said again and a question mark, and he came right back. N5IM has spotted me. Thank you very much, sir. Thomas is on 595. Let me see if I can hear him. I doubt it. No, we're just too close. Everybody's hunting Thomas right now. I may have to work for these last three. It's a different day. I'm editing the video. I cut out a bunch at the end. I did have to work hard for those contacts to get the activation completed, but not really hard. I'm happy with the radio. Appreciate you guys stopping, watching. I always love it when you jump in the comments, and like and subscribe if you like. See you next time.